What are your greatest strengths? Now, this question is being asked with assess whether your strengths will enable you to add value to the team and the company. Case quickly is very important. Make sure you read the job description before your interview because it will tell you the stress needed in the role to maintain competency. So all you have to do is align your strengths with others required in the job description. Here is a perfect answer. What are your greatest strengths? My greatest strengths are a great match for the job description. I take ownership of what I code rather than leaving that for others to deal with. For example, in my previous job, the common website crashed, so I researched the problem and determined that the website server was inadequate for the traffic. Other strengths include my collaboration capabilities and the responsive work ethic. I quickly fit into teams, focus on how I can add value, and work efficiently, often completing more tasks than the average person. Finally, I'm adaptable and supportive of change. I've always support your company in your new initiative to help it become market leader. So those are really great strengths for our job roles.